is also subjecting us to the outcome of this particular proceeding, criminal case. So unless I am decided, the intention of both the judgments were that who are specifically identified as tainted under those three categories, they will have to refund the money, they will suffer everything. They are out. But since I am subjected to this, that 65B, which is still now not admissible because unofficially lodged by court.
The Supreme Court has clearly mentioned no tainted candidate would be permitted to sit in the interview.
Why not I say that I am not tainted?
Approach, your mere saying will not do. Your name is there in the tainted list.
But that list, the foundation of that list
is under
wrong, my lord. That's why, my lord, I want to produce the charge sheet of the CBI, how the list have been given.
The petitioner's name features in the list of tainted candidates published by the Commission, relying on the data received from the CBI. Is aggrieved by the same stuff. He prays for a direction upon the respondent authorities to
for my satisfaction, Lordship, there is a demand justice which you SB Lordship kindly take note of that. So consider that.
To consider the petitioner as untainted candidate and to permit and to exclude his name from the list of the tainted candidates. Stop paragraph. It appears that the Honorable Supreme Court has clearly laid down that none of the tainted candidates shall be permitted to appear in the selection process to be conducted by the Commission. Stop paragraph. The prayer of the petitioner for directing the Commission to treat the petitioner as an untainted candidate and to remove his name from the list of tainted candidates cannot be allowed by this court. Stop. The Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to pleased to hold that the parties ought to approach before the competent criminal court for relief. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the prayer of the petitioner cannot be accepted. Stop. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
That party before the appropriate authority?
It will be open for the petitioner to approach the competent forum for relief in accordance with law if so advised.